Attraction is often described as chemistry, but what if that's literally true? In this video, we explore the science behind human pheromones, the organs involved in scent detection, and what research reveals about how body odor can influence our hormones, our preferences, and even our choice of partner. Pheromones are chemical signals released by living beings affecting the behavior or physiology of others in its species. They are well established in insects and many mammals. In humans, the science is mixed. We do respond to body odor and subtle chemical cues, but experts still disagree on whether human pheromones exist. Moreover, how would we perceive those pheromones? Animals have a specific organ which humans lack, the vomeronasal organ. In animals, the VNO serves the purpose of perceiving pheromones and has enormous effects on their hormonal balance. In humans, the function and existence is subject of discussion. Many studies have tried to determine whether there is an intact VNO organ in adult human beings. While studies suggest that there is such a structure in humans, it is mainly rudimentary. Instead, we detect chemical cues mainly by our sense of smell. Body odor reflects genetic differences, especially in immune system genes. Some studies suggest people are more attracted to scents of partners with different immune system profiles. You have probably heard of the sweaty t-shirt experiment. In a study from 1995, researchers determined whether participants preferred someone's smell with compatible genes similar to their own genes or different ones. Their idea behind this was related to the immune system. Attraction might, after all, be based on diversifying major histocompatibility complex. These are genes that encode for cell surface proteins essential for the immune system, thus creating the strongest immune system for the offspring, as individuals with the strongest MHC diversity are the healthiest. This offspring would consequently be most likely to survive and most favorable in mating. What they did was, in essence, selecting a group of female and male participants. The male ones had to wear a t-shirt for the 2 consecutive days, restraining themselves from odor-producing activities like cooking, smoking, and drinking. They also had to use odor-free soap and no deodorant use was allowed. What the researchers found was indeed that the women were more attracted to the men with a different genetic makeup. This was, however, not true for women using oral contraceptives. They were more attracted to similar genes. Not only from an evolutionary immune system view, natural odor might be important. It may also play a role in perceived attractiveness, partner compatibility, emotional bonding, even mood regulation, and familiar smells from childhood environments. Hormonal cycles also influence scent perception. Researchers have long suspected that men might actually smell when a woman is most fertile. And this study from 2020 puts that idea to the test. In it, 5 women wore cotton t-shirts for 3 nights during their ovulatory phase. The shirts were then cut into pieces from different body areas, chest, armpits, and back, and given to 26 men to smell while their hormone levels were measured. The results, surprisingly specific. The scent from a woman's back triggered a rise in men's testosterone, while the scent from her chest lowered cortisol, the stress hormone. In other words, different natural body odors from women at peak fertility caused distinct, unconscious physiological reactions in men. Both of these studies suggest that the human sniff test may be far more subtle and more powerful than we realize. So what shall you do if you want to find the perfect person for you? There's no scientific method to find an ideal partner by purposely sniffing people. However, in real life, people do unconsciously pay attention to natural scent. By being physically close to someone, hugging them, smelling their natural body odor, your brain collects subconscious information. Your brain might already be doing the sniff test for you, just not in a magic soulmate finding way. An idea would be to avoid artificially covering your natural scent if you want to observe this effect. And maybe the next date you will go on should be a workout? That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do you believe in pheromones? Regardless if yes or no, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.